How to set up one UI 8.5 dark icon on something. So let's start. First of all, we need to open Galaxy Store, then search here Good Lock app, install and open Good Lock. And then here find theme park and install, then open. After open this, tap on icon, create new. Here you can see effects, tap on effects, select one of this effect, select one and then change color. Increase all these lines. In this way you can make a dark color, dark black. So after that, okay, then increase all these lines. After complete, download this, give some name, and then tap on again and apply. Here you can see our dark icon completely successfully show.